Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to fix a Samsung TV won't turn on. If you are having a trouble turning on Samsung Smart TV, it could be an issue with an outlet, the cable, the remote or the TV itself. I will show you to finding out the what issue is and how to fix it. Please keep watching this video. For the fixing, first method is standing by light. Check your front of your television set to see if the standby light is on. If it's on, to set the recovering from power from the outlet. If the standby light is on, if your answer is yes, then watch this method. That is called bypass remote. Power on the TV using the power button instead of the remote. Did the power is on? Your answer is yes. Then change batteries. Open the backup panel of your remote. Replace the batteries. Make sure the new batteries are allegedly correctly. Place back panel back on. If the standby light is on, your answer is no. Then check your power cabling. For this, let's make sure power cable and outlet work. First, make sure all cabling is firmly inserted. If that didn't work, let's try another outlet. If your TV still won't turn on and you are able to remove the power cord, try another one.